For this video, I'm going to show you some different shaped windows, and I'm going to show you how to put some like cracks and things like that. So I'm going to make a window that is triangular, and honestly, you can make a window any shape because the rules don't change. These three rules, they're always there for everything, okay? So if I make this triangular opening, well, what visible corners do I have? Can't see that one inside the shape, can't see that one inside the shape, but I can see into this one. Okay, so cool. So this corner here goes towards my vanishing point, like so. If I wanted to have the back end of the opening, I'll make it parallel to the front because the side ends parallel to how it begins. So there's the wall, there's the floor, erase that, okay? But what's cool with this is we can do this with everything. So let's say I'm going to go through and I'm going to split off this corner, okay? So I'm going to make a cut here. I'm going to cut into the front of the shape. This is the easiest way to do it. I cut into the front of the shape, and I've just divided this into two shapes. I have this, I guess it's not a quadrilateral, four-sided shape, right? And I also have a triangle. Okay, beyond that, I've just made it into two shapes. My rules don't change. Visible corners to the vanishing point. Okay, cool. So put my straight edge here. I can see this corner now. That goes back. Cool. I have a corner here that goes back. Okay, I have a corner here that goes back, and I stopped it there because it went behind this triangle. Okay, so I erased the front. I now erase the back. Okay, and a side ends parallel to how it begins. Okay, so there's the beginning, parallel. Move my straight edge back here. There's the back corner. Okay, I'll do this again real quick. So cut this out. I can make it as wide or narrow as I want. I erase this part that I am cutting away. I always say it's like cutting blocks of cheese, right? All right, so I'm going to, visible corner goes back to my vanishing point, goes behind the shape. Visible corner goes back to my vanishing point, goes behind the shape. That's it, okay? And just to prove a point, I've put a big crack in the front of this block up here. So I put my corner of my straight edge there. All the visible corners that I can see will go back to my vanishing point. Oh, both those happen to line up perfectly with each other. That was a little bit visually awkward, but it does happen. Corner here, corner here. Erase all the gaps that I just made. Erase, erase, erase.